Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide friend activity on Spotify. So if you want to do that, open your Spotify. In this case, I've opened it in my desktop and then click on your profile here and go to settings menu. Click on this and scroll down until you find the display option, and here you can see the option see what your friends are playing. So right now it is deactivated, and then if you want to activate it or to show what your friends are playing on Spotify, just click on this until it turns to gray like this. Okay, but if you want to turn it off, just click again until it turns to gray. Okay, so that's it. It's so easy. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on next tutorial.